I've been curious about air fryers for a while now, but not interested in taking the plunge of actually buying one. Lucky for me, the library has air fryers that you can borrow for free with your library card. The air fryer also comes with this handy dandy quick reference sheet and a recipe book that includes all kinds of surprising things you can make, from bread to desserts. Who knew? And there is a user manual that explains the parts of the machine and is easy to decipher for air fryer newbies like me. It is a surprisingly simple little food robot. This is the air fryer basket. Pulls in and out somewhat easily. What should we make? How about some broccoli and some potato wedges? Cue the chopping montage. There are tons of recipes online for air fryer broccoli. I chose a simple one: a little olive oil, tamarind sauce, and one to grow on, a sprinkle of garlic powder, and a few chili flakes for some heat. As you can see, I didn't really measure anything. The recipe does have measurements. I just chose to ignore them. Give everything a good toss around. Then we're going to add it to the air fryer basket. The recipe recommended that I use a piece of parchment paper on the bottom of the basket to help with cleanup, so I did that. The broccoli should be spread out along the bottom, so not piled up. It really can't cook very much at a time. Now I'll show you the settings. This side adjusts the temperature. And the other side adjusts the time. So we're going to do 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Broccoli's done. One thing I didn't show in the video is that I actually did partway through, I paused it and tossed the broccoli and then restarted it. It turned out delicious. And now for the potato wedges. For the potato wedges, I also just used a little olive oil and salt and pepper and a piece of parchment on the bottom of the air fryer basket. The air fryer actually has several presets that you can choose from, and fries is one of them, so I chose that one. So that was 15 minutes at 400 degrees. They ended up needing a little bit longer than 15 minutes. I again tossed them around and then put them back in for a few more minutes, so just follow the recipe. Crispy. If you would like to see a full list of all of the items you can check out from our library of things, visit beavertonlibrary.org/LOT.